Hi, so welcome back to another people sent me stuff on my birthday and I don't know how to react video because I'm not good with presents and things, but anyway, I wasn't going to film these for YouTube, and then these are probably going to go on YouTube, just so, yeah. Anyway, hi, welcome to the channel. This is Beyond Authentic, where we go beyond the mundane to give you an authentic view on witchcraft and other stuff. Or this could be Beyond Authentic Health and Beauty. I don't know what channel it's going up on because I really haven't thought this through. I've got no makeup on, no skincare. I've literally washed my face and hands before I came. I washed my face and hands before I came on camera. I've just had so far a morning of just opening presents and birthday cards that say like, your fart stinks. So yeah, from Rufus. But anyway, I've got a lovely box here. This has come from Renata, and I'm holding it that way because my address and also Renata's address is on there as well. So thank you so much. Like, literally nobody ever has to send me stuff, and it always just is a bit beyond bonkers when people send me anything. So thank you so much. I'm using a stabby thing to try and get into the sellotape.
It's wrapped well.
It's very wrapped very well, which is what I would come to expect from Renata, because Renata is very thorough. There we go, and this is very.
You should wrap it 4 times.
It's no, dear. It wasn't like covered in 4 layers of paper like you did. But then again, it didn't need to be. Look, it's just secure and very well wrapped. Oh, and there's bubble wrap inside. Oh wow, okie dokie. And that looks like a card. Oh, there's something. Okay. The card says, see, Renata is so, you are just so you. Lisa, please look at the contents of the parcel first before reading the card, else there be spoilers.
Oh.
See, you know I was literally about to do that, so thank you very much. I will do that. What is this? Oh, hang on. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? What? Right, so this has been used to wrap.
That's pretty. I love the colours. It's really cool, isn't it?
It's another altar cloth. This is absolutely beautiful. Is that batik? It looks like batik. I think it's a batik, which is where it's like, it might be or might be printed, I don't know, but that is absolutely stunning. Thank you, darling. Look at that. Look at that. It's like tie-dye, rainbow. Oh, and it smells again.
Like, it's like with a splatter type of
effect. Do you know? Yeah, but do you know what? I would really wear that. I would absolutely wear that. Rather than, I think it's designed to be an altar cloth, but I would wear that. That is beautiful. Oh, but then that was used as wrapping for a tarot bag with my goddess symbol on. And then what is this? What is this? Oh, hang on, it's got straps. What is this? These are panniers. Oh, and there's a, oh, hang on, there's a little, oh, wow. Oh, that's gorgeous. These go under your skirt.
Oh, that's what you were talking
about.
They're
pockets
that go under. Oh, yeah.
Look at those.
You were talking about them before.
Renata's
remember?
made these.
You were talking about them on the live. Yeah.
Oh, and she's put little scent. They smell gorgeous.
So you put them under your clothes.
These are pockets that go round.
Yeah.
So that when you're wearing a skirt, you put them underneath your skirt, and then basically, especially during the summer months, because I like quite long kind of hippie skirts, and they never have pockets. But it means you've got pockets. Oh my god! And smell that. Smell that. She's put like a little. It might be a little bit. I was about to say, be careful with it. It might be a little bit strong.
Nice, eh?
Oh, that's like for mothball things.
Mm.
Oh my god, Renata! Oh wow, right. Let me have a look at the card. Oh wow, I am completely overwhelmed. Oh, and there's all sorts of writing on it. Blessings. I do hope you like the contents of your little parcel. I do. I really do. A bright, gaily coloured scarf is always handy, I find, and pockets are essential for any woman, especially when we need a little help in the hip area. Just pad them out with a few hankies, tie or sew the short ends of each that the pockets sit on either side over the hips. Tie the long ends up in the front, making the tape sit on your waist. The other little moon bag I hope you can use for your portable altars. Oh my god, yes I can! Though with a candle inside that, don't keep it too close to your body for the wax not to cause damage, but else. Put it in one of your fair sized pockets, so handy. I've seen ladies carry bubbly with them. From Renata. Oh my god, my darling. Oh, I need to, I'm gonna wear a floaty skirt in a minute. It's absolutely.
You put cards in, like your.
I could put tarot cards in here, but this is for the mini altar. So that the mini altar will sit in here. It will fit. Yeah, it should fit in there, and then that will seal up, and then that can go in my pockets, in my skirt, under my skirt. That is amazing. Thank you very, very, very much.
Really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, thank you very much. That is absolutely. That is amazing. These are so well made as well. Look. Oh, I just know Renata's made these as well. Thank you very, very much. I am completely overwhelmed. But you know I'm going to give these a good go. You know these are going to be on me like in literally a matter of minutes. I am going to go and get this working. In fact, I will. I can't edit on this without my laptop at the moment. So I'll have to put this up, and then if you want to see me wearing these and what the effect is, you'll have to check out my Instagram. So go over to Instagram. It's Beyond Authentic. The I is a 1. And you will see me wearing these. That is amazing. Thank you so much, Renata. I get completely overwhelmed at this sort of thing with gifts and things, and I really struggle. But thank you so very much. It is incredibly kind of you, and also these are just so well made. I can't wait to put these on. But thank you very, very, very much. You are very ridiculously very kind. And yeah, thank you so much. And I guess again I should say, do the YouTubey things, please. Like, give this video a thumbs up. What else? Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified each and every time that I upload a video, because YouTube is helpfully unsubscribing people at the moment to a lot of small channels like this one, and not notifying people when my videos goes up. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching, and again to Renata, you are amazing. Thank you so very, very much. I am beyond blessed, so thank you. Bye bye.